Hello everyone from Aarswebs.com, a professional digital marketing, Google Ads management and optimization company. We're also Google partners. I just recently got a query. Let's get started on the query. And the query is Google search ads getting clicks, but almost no customers. Need 10 leads a day. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so let's get started on this. Okay. Hi Ali, hello. I'm running a Google search campaign for my mobile frame wheel repair business in the Los Angeles Glendale area, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Okay. The goal is to generate around 10 plus customers leads per day, mainly phone calls. The campaign is still very new. I originally started with around $20 day budget, but because the volume was extremely low, I increased it significantly. The current daily budget is about $105 a day. Sorry. Today results so far: 129 impressions, 18 clicks, 13.95% CTR, $3.01 average CPC, $54.24 spent, around 2 to 4 actual phone calls. Google Ads is reporting zero conversions. There are currently two ad groups. The main ad group generated 118 impressions, 15 clicks, 12.71% CTR, $3.01 CPC, $45.13 spent. The second test ad group generated 11 impressions, 3 clicks, 27.27% CTR, 3.04 CPC, 9.11 spent. The campaign is currently using maximize conversions. One major issue I found is conversion tracking. Under goals conversion, both calls from ads conversion shows misconfigured. Google says, however, we have actually received phone calls from that, so the Google is apparently not recording them as conversions. I also noticed that search term is currently empty, so I can't yet see which actual search is generated today click. In ad preview and diagnosis, okay, you did a good work. In actually at least in reporting. Someone such as a curb rash repair, fixed rims, and mobile rim repair near me showed that the ad is eligible showing. At other times, Google says the ad was not shown for that particular diagnosis. I'm trying to figure out the best way to scale this without simply throwing money at Google. My main questions are: is $105 day enough to realistically target 10 qualified leads per day for mobile rim repair in Los Angeles? Should I keep maximize conversions if conversion tracking is currently broken? Or temporarily switch to maximize clicks manual bidding until enough conversion data exists? What is the correct setup for tracking call from ads? Why would Google say it has never received attribution data? Would you consolidate the two ad groups or keep them testing them separately? With a $3 CPC and 14% CTR, does the campaign itself look healthy so far? Or is the low lead volume a warning sign? For a local mobile service, would you tighten location aggressively around highest value areas instead of targeting a larger Los Angeles service area? If the ultimate target is 10 customers a day, what would you change first? Keywords, bidding, conversion tracking, landing page, location, targeting, or budget? I'm not expecting 10 customers immediately from a brand new campaign, but I want to make sure the campaign is structured correctly before increasing the budget further. Okay, any help is appreciated. Okay, these are your spendings right now. Okay, you spend $7.49, 296 clicks you have got. Okay, you can see around over. These are some of your keywords. Okay, so what is my strategy after looking around on these keywords? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to look after this is the first thing I'm going to remove is the Google search partners. Okay, I'm going to explain now my strategy over here. I'm going to remove the Google search partners. I do not think this may work well. Okay, also for local businesses, I also recommend trying LSA ads as well. They can help. So I seen some businesses getting help with local service ads, but I just giving you as an option that LAC ads could be used as well. But because you asked a specific question to Google search ads, so I will be relevant to the your question over there. Secondly, you in your a very detailed question you discussed regarding different possibilities and everything. I think that another important aspect over here which I wanted to note is that your conversion tracking is not working. So I would add, the conversion tracking over here. So my opinion is to add conversion tracking. Okay. Uh, uh, I think that you need to add ad assets as well, and that can help. Also, I will also add Google Map location as well in my ad. Okay, I'm going to show you an example to actually educate you how you can make your tracking easier. Now, this is an ordinary ad which you run on a search ads because you specifically ask for the search ad. But if I add call extension, site link over there, location extension, so now you can see how attractive my ad has become. And now when someone clicks on the call button, it will be recorded. The confusion over in your ad I seems is either you do not have your phone number directly added as a call extension, or you are using a forwarder over there. Or I also have a dedicated video on my YouTube channel on how you can track your call ads, but I think that this is the reason. If you add ad assets, what happens is that the address is going to bring credibility and trust to your ad. The call unit from over here will be tracked by the Google. Also add conversion tracking in your Google. You need to first of all set up. I assume that you have not set it up correctly. You need to set it up so that all of your things works well. So I think that the conversion tracking you also pointed yourself is a huge issue over or in your campaign. After this, um, regarding your budget, $105 budget is fine. It's fine to work around with this. To get 10 qualified leads per day, you did not. Also, you said that you Google has reporting zero conversions, but you did not explain how many calls or leads so far you are generating it. So I think that is another thing I like to work around. There is also a lead form campaign with the Google. You can try using that. And I'm not sure how to optimize your landing pages. You know that the landing page also plays a crucial role over there. And are you using Clarity or any heat map sessions to record eventual users over there? So I think I will also look around for these things as well. And regarding the bidding strategy, my recommendation is to offer the maximize clicks. Maximize conversions only work well when you have exclusive data. So if you do not have data, I think that would not be a good strategy. I will keep testing the ad group separately regarding your question for this. And I also need to know what is your quality score. I think that the quality score needs to be look around over there. And if you have your existing customers' data, that can also help you to define your areas on what areas are you getting good results to define your targeting. And with all of this, if you ask me what my strategy is, first of all, I'm going to optimize my landing page. We did not much discuss regarding landing page, only in this last question. So the landing page plays a crucial role. I think that I would heavily emphasize and focus on the landing page. The location targeting is another important essential over there. I would deeply look around this. Account structure, different ad groups, I will definitely use them. Conversion tracking is the main bone of your Google Ad strategy. So I think that, or you can call it lifeline of your Google Ad strategy. So I think that the conversion tracking needs to be done to make it all work. Otherwise, you are going to waste money. Ads extension, I just discussed, that is another thing I like to add. Bidding strategy I discussed regarding. For the keywords, I think I may go with around with a search, phrase match. You are using the phrase match, but I need to know the negative ones over there. I also will suggest to remove the Google search partners, and with the search terms over there, I can see that you're using some broad match keywords over. So you have excluded the broad match over there. But I think that like rims near me need to be added as a phrase or exact match rather than a broad match over there. So this is my bidding strategy for this. So yeah, these are the few strategies which you can follow to get your business optimized. But if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my team. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we full-fledged offer Google Ads solutions all in one bundles for Google Business Profile, Google Ads, website management, combined bundles as well. So yeah, if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com. So yeah, for mobile rim and wheel repair business, I tried to discuss in detail. I hope you like my opinion. But if you have any questions or suggestions, someone watching this video and have this, you're more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. I will be happy to answer those as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.